but you when you dance, dance, dance. Feeling good, good creeping up on you, so just dance, dance, dance. Come on. All those things I shouldn't do, but you dance, dance, dance. And ain't nobody leaving soon, so keep dancing. Can't stop the feeling, so just dance, dance, dance. Can't stop the feeling, so just dance, dance, dance. Come on.
Right, look. It's all so weird when we begin the stages, like, wow. Look how many contact solutions she has. She's obsessed. No, I have more than that. I know I do in the house because I always, like, I'm bad at hygiene routine with my contacts. Like, why was it like halfway zoomed in? Zoom out? Yeah, I zoomed in over there. Okay, cool. Do you see all that yet? Yeah. That's so weird, like, we're going to see.
Okay, guys, so yeah, that's my slime. Well, it's Natalie's slime. It's going to be Natalie's.
Oh, thanks. High five. Like, handshake.
No, don't you do
High five.
Get away from me. Don't touch me, please. Get away from me.
Nicole's like, I hate my life. We have to see one Nicole. Nicole! College, we're going in and like I'm waiting. My friends at us, we're gonna buy food, we're gonna go to college, we're gonna eat food and like just have a little celebration, I guess, because it's like the end of college nearly. Went to Law order that as well, I think. So I'm gonna meet them. I'm gonna leave the house in like an hour. I have a bunch of clothes, yet most of the time out of my messy wardrobe, half the clothes on here because I don't have enough hangers, half the clothes hung up. I will go for this skirt with some sort of top. Like, why? Why do I always go for a skirt? I don't know if you guys will be able to see me doing this because, like, not really setting this up properly, but yeah. Contact. That's it. And I don't know about you guys, but when I was like first getting contacts, I was obsessed with watching contact lenses video. I had to put them in, like what were like all that, like all the research videos and everything. Found these videos very interesting in contact and like first experience and all that. And then I'm just like putting contacts in general. I was like, wow, like how do you do this? Like what is the process behind this? Oh, I can see and I don't have glasses on. Yay!